Spindle problem identification, ORSKOREA is capable of both manufacturing and repairing spindles. Identifying spindle issues, ORSKOREA promptly responds to customer requests. Basic inspection. Perform basic spindle inspections and check for any abnormalities. Spindle disassembly, ORSKOREA disassembles spindles to detect quality and performance issues. Spindle cleaning. We offer cost-effective repairs by maximizing the use of clean parts. Precision measurement of parts. Precision measurement of disassembled and clean parts. Spindle repair. We ensure high-quality repairs by following standards and the manual. Spindle operation test. We use precision testing to ensure superior quality. Packaging of the repaired spindle. We ensure satisfaction with fast service and safe delivery